are you all doing today? Today's video is about creating your avatar in Vroid Studio. So without wasting any time, we're going to get started. Be sure I'm going to minimize the screen here so I can show you my screen behind it. Be sure you subscribe to my channel and like my video. It helps the metrics, helps me get more views, and helps me help more people, because that's the whole purpose of my channel, is to help you grow your channel faster. So today what I'm going to do is show you how to build you an avatar character on Vroid Studio. And this is what you type: vroid.com, and you just put Vroid, actually just type in Vroid Studio and it'll come up. I have a Windows. It is a free download, but it's also available for Mac, and if you want to download it into Steam, you can do that. So I've already got it downloaded, so I'm not going to download it again. So when you download it, you'll come into this screen here. These are the avatars I've been working on, trying to get my model the way I want her. She's still not where I want her, but I'm working on her. Love you guys. See her moving there? Okay, so if you want to create a new one, you click here and you'll start from scratch. If you want to use one of their models down here, you can. I always start with the create a new model, so I click on it. You can have feminine or masculine. You upload the character that best represents you, and you wait for it and wait for it. And the first screen that you will come to is your face. You choose a face. Also, I can't show you because it's my mouse, but to get this character to move, click the wheel in the center of your mouse and hold it, and you can get him to move. If you click the wheel in the center of the mouse and scroll it, you can make him bigger and smaller. If you click on the right side of the mouse, you can get it to turn so you can see it from all angles. You can get upside, downside. So that's pretty cool. I didn't learn that forever because no one told us. They just assumed we knew everything about Vroid. So I'm going to scroll it closer since we're working on the face. There. Okay. And you can click on the face that best suits the model you're looking for. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time to, this depends on the speed of your computer. I'm not seeing much difference. There we go. I'm actually going to go back to this one. So once you choose the face you want, not only can you choose the face you want, but you can come over here and choose the eye size. See, make the eyes bigger and smaller in various different ways. So you can make a very unique character that nobody else has, because there's just millions of ways to change it. So you make it all fit the way you want it to. And see, it's got all these. It even has a droopy eye. What's that? You want droopy eyes. And one thing I found out, if you see this number right here, you can put in your own number. Let's put in 5 point. See, that don't look good at all. So you want to be careful with the numbers you do put in. And you have to hit, once you put a number in, you have to hit enter. She didn't like that at all. Okay. And you can change the size of your irises. I like mine big. And you could change the eyebrows position. You could change your nose. Now the best, I found out, if you turn your model sideways, remember to right click your mouse. There you can see the nose, so you can see what you're doing to your nose. Because it's hard to tell looking at it straight up. And just go in here and play with it. And then you've got a mouth. You could do that either side, either looking at it straight up or from the side. And you could change the lips. You can get thinner lips, thicker lips. I like to go with thicker lips. You can do the upper and the lower so they can match. And it's got a masculine and a feminine. Then you could change your teeth. I usually don't mess with the teeth, but you can get vampire teeth, shark teeth, shrink your teeth. Oh, I do change the ear size. I turn her back around. See how her ears look? I don't like that. So I'm going to reduce her ears. Ear prominent? No. Rounded ears. This is where you make the interesting ears that you see some people have, where they're real long ears or pointed ears. And you can change your jaw position, give yourself a fuller face. Sunken cheeks. I've never been able to see what that does. At any rate, this is what you could do. So that is just the head. Look at all these other things you could do to change your character. So now we go to the eye sets. And you can change the eyes and the way they look. And one thing I wanted to show you, you can't do it in the eye sets, but the irises, see this edit texture over here? Well, wait a minute. Let's change, you could change the eye color. See, you can change any color you want. You could type in a number if you know the exact number of the color you want. You can type it in here. You could change the size of the irises, etc., the gaze distance. But right here where it says edit texture, click on that. And you come over here and you could change, each eye could be a different color. A lot of people are doing that. They think that's the cool thing. But what I wanted to show you, I want to add an eye. I designed some eyes, and once you design your own eyes, you can add them. Let's put these in. See, I made some really pretty blue eyes stand out. So you could change your eyes. You would copy this. Let me go back. So you go to irises. It's gonna ask me to save it, and I'm not going to save it because I've already dealt with that before. I've already got it saved. Okay, if you go to, let's go to custom again, edit texture. You can copy, okay. I'm still figuring this out too, guys. I'm new to this as well as you are. We're kind of doing it together. Let's go back. Go back to presets. Okay, so let's put this eye back in. Now, if you edit the texture, see this right here? You can export that somewhere. Let me see. Oh, no. I guess it's back where we were. Sorry. I'll probably have to delete this. I'm working on learning another program so I can learn to edit my videos. I have not done that yet. So this will probably be in my video for a while until I get it edited, until I figure it out. Okay, this is what I need up here. It disappears. Let's go back. See, this is where you export. Export. So you click on an eye, edit. This button right here mirrors everything you do. That's the mirror button. So if I was to draw on this eye, see, it shows up on that eye. Then to delete this mistake, hit Control Z and it disappears. Okay guys, I'll show you how to export in the next one because, let me see this. This is the, hold on, sorry, you don't do it often enough, you forget. Let's try, see this one right here, maybe that's it, the plus button. Hit the plus button. No, that isn't it. At any rate, we'll get back to designing your own. See, those are pretty too. Going back to designing your own in a minute because I forgot how to do something. But you can edit the eye highlights. You can edit the whites so they could be a gray, all gray, partial gray. Your eyebrows, and once again you've got all these. I like to have decent sized eyebrows like this, maybe like this. And you can put it lower on our head. No, that one yet. There we go. I'll lower mine. But she's shaping up. You can do eyeliner. Same thing, you've got all these buttons to help. You've got eyelashes. You've actually got one that will do your nose, your mouth, etc., etc. You've got face paint if you want to add some kind of paint. Sometimes I have one. Is it this one? Sometimes I'll add a. If you get one on there and you don't like it, you can go back to that and it'll take everything off. And you can have expression editor, which is kind of cool. This is the way you'll look. You can make yourself look like this. And that's the way you'll look during most of the, like this right here, that's what the expression editor, this is what it'll be right here. I've got her mouth pinched just a little. Okay, so once, and then you can go here, this is hairstyles. You can change your hair. And then if you wanted to edit textures, nothing. You take off the base. You can't edit the textures in the hairstyle. You just give yourself a basic beginning. And then you go to the front, and that is where you can start editing. And you can go down so many rabbit holes changing your character. It's pretty cool. And you can make, like I said, yours will be original. There won't be any two alike because there's so many things you can do. You can do the back of your hair. I usually like that one. And you can have extensions. You can add more hair to what you have. You can add more side hairs. If you like that thing sticking up, it's called a loey. I don't normally.